Praise the Lord, people of God. Praise the Lord. You all heard my personal testimony of somebody asked to marry me, and I seek the face of God first. Now, this is not the video that I make on my channel is not to say you should not get married, because God honor marriage, but it's for you to seek the face of God. It's for you to get on your knees and ask God for spiritual guidance. This video is to remind you that there is a God in heaven that can guide you in your journey of life. Now, some of us all believe in God. Some of us all needed to put our cares and our problem to the Most High God. Now, you have to go on your knees and ask the Lord for spiritual guidance. And like I said, God honored marriage. But if you don't ask for spiritual guidance, how are you going to get it? The Bible said, ask and it shall be given. Seek and it shall find. Knock and it shall be open unto you. You have to knock the door of the Lord heart. You have to knock the door of heaven gate for God to guide you. And if you have a spiritual daddy, a spiritual pastor that you know God is using, ask him, say to him, Pastor, I would like a one-to-one word with you, because I met someone on holiday and I'm seeking God intervention on my marriage or on this person that I think God brought in my life. But sometimes it's not even God brought them in your life. Sometimes it's just the enemy want to get you down, just want to break you. Because sometimes we reach somewhere in life that the enemy want to take back what the Lord give unto us. So people of God, I am pleading, seek the face of God before any marriage at all. Any marriage. Shalom, my people. Shalom.